Welcome, I'm using OPPO Reno5, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously, let's open up settings, and from here we're gonna scroll down to additional settings. Again, scroll down to backup and reset, and choose erase all data factory reset. And once more, erase all data. Now if you have some kind of protection, screen lock on your device, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I have a pin right here, so you just confirm that, and then it will give me the pop-up at the bottom. This will erase all data, erase data. Are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Now, maybe I should elaborate what erase all data means, because it's fairly vague. Basically what it will remove is all data that you have put on the device. That be contacts, music, photos, videos, documents, anything like that. Anything that you have downloaded, loaded up to this device will be just gone. And the thing that will remain is, well, obviously an Android operating system and the default apps that come basically pre-installed with it. So stop on erase all data and let it begin. Now this will take about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit less, and once it's finished, we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.